Are you ready? One, up, up.
Ay, grabe ah.
Oh,
Grabe na yan ah. I like that. You like that? You like that, Eliana? Hi guys! Welcome back! So today po is pang third pedia appointment ni Ellie. Third ba? Or pang apat na? Parang, kasi nung una, newborn screening. I think pang third pa lang to na pedia appointment niya. And 4 months na po siya ngayon. Today po is July 1. 4 months na siya. Ang bilis ng panahon, no? And ayun, pupunta kami ng sa my base kasi yun eh, yung clinic. Punta kami dun ngayon. And malalaman din namin kung ano na ulit timbang niya. Pero meron naman kami timbangan dito. Pero hindi na namin siya ulit tinimbang after nung last timbang na namin na 12 pounds siya. Siguro mga 12, siguro pa rin siya. Siguro mga 12 and a half, ganyan. Kasi medyo bumigat si Ellie dahil lumakas yung pagdede niya, guys. And nasa, alam mo yun, panay tulog siya. Tapos panay dede siya. Maya-maya talaga siya magdede. No? Ang ganda ng lip tint ko. Meron akong bagong favorite na lip tint ngayon. Isihin ko nga si Ellie, bibihisan ko siya para mamaya alis na rin kami, guys. So, we'll see you later. Andito nga pala yung daddy niya. So, sasabay siya sa amin. Pupunta rin siya dun sa my clinic bago siya dumiretso sa work. Pero, magdadrive kami separate kasi papasok siya tapos magdadrive kami pa uwi ni Ellie. So, yun. Ang ganda-ganda naman ang outfit ng bebe na yan, oh. Ganda ng outfit, ah.
What you doing? Are you
Natae.
pushing?
Oh, iyak yan siya pag natae.
Okay, come on, you ready? Are you ready? One, up, up.
Ay, grabe ah.
Oh,
Grabe na yan ah. Grabe na yan ah.
Ready? Come on. Stand up, girl.
She's poop. Ay. Hi. Eliana. Can you say mama? Tapos ang first, ano niya, no, dada. Ang first word niya. Ang cute-cute naman na yan. Ang cute-cute naman na yan. Ang cute-cute naman na yan.
Here you go.
Is that dada?
Let me see it.
Oh, is that dada? Is that your dada? Hi! Oh,
Oh, do we look the same?
gusto ko tong white headband. Ito kami nagpipictorial, guys, oh. 4 months, di ba? Tinitape ko lang siya, tapos tanggalin ulit. Mama! Bagong gising siya eh, kaya yung mata ganyan. Matang-mata ng daddy niya.
Here you go. Here.
Yeah. Yana. Hi. She's pooping. Do I need to feed her before we leave? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you should probably do that now. We gotta
Okay.
leave in
Let's go.
20 minutes.
Let's see you guys. Let's go, guys.
What are you doing?
Worth it talaga yung bili ko nito, oh. Kasi grabe, gustong-gusto niya. Sa Amazon kayo nabili. Kung gusto nyo din bumili, ilagay ko na lang yung link sa my description, ano. Kung gusto nyo yung ganito rin bilhin sa ano nyo, anak mo. No. Kasi may nagtanong sa akin sa ko daw to nabili. Sa Amazon po. Ayan. You like that? You like that? You like that, Eliana? Are you like that? Are you like that? Oh my goodness. Pinutulan ko na siya ng ano, guys. Ay, tinrim ko yung kuko niya. Kasi ang haba. Ang bilis humaba. Okay, let's go, lalab. Daddy's gonna put you in the car. Come on, Daddy.
Okay, come on.
Dali
She's
na.
heavy.
Where's your muscle?
Well, I didn't go to the gym today. Wow, she's getting
So it depends if you go or not.
correct.
Hello?
Yeah. And if you feed me correctly.
What?
If you don't feed me correctly, then
No. Okay, let's go. Okay.
A few moments later.
Nandito na kami, guys. Tulog na naman ata si Ellie, no? Tignan natin. Sa base na kami. Check ko lang ang aking anak. . 1, Uy, tulog na nga. Tulog na si Ellie, guys. Hi! Saan na ikaw? Sleepy pa yan? Ay, grabe naman, oh. Sleepy pa eh. 8:55 pa yung appointment namin, pero, tawag nito, 8:30 pa lang, guys. Magantay na lang siguro kami sa loob.
Inside.
Yeah. Pasok na tayo. Ang cute-cute naman yan. Cute naman ang outfit ng bata na yan.
And if, you know.
I know. Dito na kami. Hi! Ang cute-cute naman ang pisngi na yan. Oh, taba-taba, oh. Ang taba-taba naman.
Oh, this is for you.
My? I think you know how to fill it up.
7-1, right? Yeah.
Mama. Mama.
You 27?
28. I'm turning 28. I'm still 27 right now. Yeah. Hello, grabe magto-28 na si Mami, Ellie. 28 na si Mami. This September. Ang birthday ko is 15. September 15, mag-28 na ako. Kalain mo yun. Tapos may isa ng anak. May isa ng baby.
Look at you. Why you keep sticking your tongue out?
She's looking at your ano. She likes yellow. Tignan niyo yung ano. Ariana. Hi, Ellie. Grabe, hawak na hawak siya sa titing toy niya, oh. Hindi niya yan talaga tanggalin. Ang kagandahan sa titing toy na to, meron siyang hawakan. Tapos yung shape niya pa ano, parang katulad sa ano ng nanay.
What is it? Is that my
Eliana!
dad? Is that my
Eliana,
dad?
baby! She likes it. I wonder how much weight she, ano.
I think she's 12 something.
Last time we weighed her, she was 12 pounds.
Yeah, if it's accurate.
Yeah. I wonder how.
What is that?
So, 8:55 ang appointment namin. 8:47 na ngayon, guys. Gigil na gigil nga siya. Ellie! Kami na-sure na siya, guys. Tapos, ang weight niya is 12 pounds, 12 and 4 ounces. 12.40, right?
Yeah.
O, diba?
You
Ayan
have
siya.
her little.
Right here.
Oh my goodness. Oh, hindi ko. Oh,
Grabe, kanina gumugulong siya doon sa may ano, timbangan. Ang kulit. Wow.
Oh, did you grab her headband?
You like that? Yeah. I took it.
Oh my goodness. You're being so good. You're joking. You're joking.
Nantay na lang namin yung doctor para sa final examination niya. Tinitignan nila dito yung parang, ano niya, yung, ewan ko, tinitignan nila yung mata, kung ano-ano yung chinecheck, basta yung tenga, ganyan, bunganga. Yay, Eliana! She's gonna lift you up. Last time, remember, she can't do it yet.
Yeah.
She tried. But now she can. Look how strong she is now.
You're strong.
You're strong now. You're strong. When you're
What's up
strong.
with that tongue? I got that tongue.
Grabe guys, ang ganda talaga ng lip tint na to. Siguro ito yung isa sa favorite ko. Kasi hindi siya talaga natatanggal. Tinry ko siyang tanggalin. Yung parang nagstay talaga siya sa ano. Kasi gusto ko yung long lasting. So, kasi madalas ako magtawag nito, maganto-ganto. Ganyan-ganyan. Kaya natatanggal yung lip tint. Tapos ito, ang tagal niyang matanggal. May iyak yung bata sa kabila kasi tinurukan ata ng vaccine. Ang kulit. Ang kulit. Makulit yan. Nagara. Kulit-kulit niyan eh, oh. Hala, hindi naman dila. Nelly. Eliana. Hala, ang kulit, oh. Masira mo yan. You're gonna ano that. Rip it.
She's like, what is this?
He's so curious, yeah. Kulit mo ah. Lala. Sa Starbucks kami guys. Mag-breakfast kami dito. Ang cute naman talaga oh. Tapos na po yung pedia appointment namin. Tapos na po. Ay. Look at her. Do you know them?
I don't know.
She made a different doctor today.
Yeah, I never met that
So
doctor.
she did good. Everything is good.
I'm glad he didn't push anything.
Yeah. Hi. Hi, baby. I know. Are you hungry? Do I need to feed you here? Uy. You can't drink this. You can't. You wanna touch the ano? Liana. Okay guys, mag-breakfast po muna kami. Ayun lang po ang vlog natin for today.
Sam's Club had on there.
Ayun lang po ang vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time. Bye!